I'm here to introduce you to AP2620 FXS, FXO, E&M VoIP Gateway for Emergency Interphone and E&M Interface-based VoIP broadcasting service. AP2620 Enterprise VoIP Gateway supports maximum 8-port analog voice interface like as FXS, FXO, E&M, etc., with 2 VoIP module slots for 4-port VoIP cards. AP2620 VoIP Gateway provides an optimized call scenario when it interoperates with conventional PBX. AP2620 supports various voice codecs like G711, G726, G729A, ET.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. E&M 판라인 방송 테스트입니다. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.